So much. Well, Governor Mike Braun and state lawmakers are celebrating legislation that they say will lower your health care bills.
Yeah, News 8's government reporter Garrett Berquist explains what's coming.
Healthcare arguably was the biggest issue this session, after property taxes and the budget.
These landmark bills bring transparency, accountability, and competition to our healthcare system. And we need it even more so. This is just the start.
Lawmakers from both parties celebrated their wins at Wednesday's ceremonial bill signing. Democrats pushed through legislation to allow people taking part in a cancer clinical trial to get reimbursed for costs such as travel and lodging.
For cancer patients, treatment can be very, I would say it'd be very harsh. So you want to be able to spend your time in taking care of that treatment. Also, when it comes to cancer clinical trials, they can be very expensive. On average, they run anywhere from $800 to $900 a month to participate.
Republicans championed a new law to require health insurers to credit you if you find a service that's cheaper than the one in their network.
We want you to be able to take that cash receipt and go send it into your insurance company and have that applied to your deductible. So we want you to have the right to go be a better healthcare consumer, go out in the marketplace and shop for a better deal than your insurance company may be getting for you.
Shackelford and McGuire's bills got unanimous or near unanimous approval this session. Others were more controversial. Legislative Republicans pushed through work requirements for Medicaid, and both caucuses split over a bill that tightens oversight of how nonprofit hospitals price their services.
We had the governor's office ready. You know, his top agenda item was healthcare legislation, and I think having the legislature, we were very focused on that as well. So having both these branches of government working together, really just driving that agenda, I think is going to make a big difference for Hoosiers in Indiana.
When you're looking at some of those bills that are going to affect people, the Medicaid bills, those are going to be very detrimental, but we do have some positives in there. So it's a pretty mixed bag.
And McGuire tells me we can expect more healthcare-related legislation next session. At the State House, I'm Garrett Berquist for Wish TV and WishTV.com.